Hello and welcome, this is Gary Garnett, and today I want to show you how to get Jamie Lewis's Legit Guide for only $17. It's regularly $27. Tomorrow it's going up to $37. And what it is 6 months of coaching. Now you can scroll down here and I'll tell you a little bit about it. Every week we host 2 live coaching classes where you can ask questions, and I'll personally coach you one-on-one. Review your products, website, and marketing campaigns to set you on the path to success. And here's some of his accomplishments. He's made over $15 million online. ClickBank, multiple status. Let's see, certified by Google, 3,200 plus success stories from students. 50 million views. 50 million views on YouTube. He's made 900,000 flipping and selling websites. Biggest sales recorded on Flippa at 238,000. So all kinds of stuff here. And I actually signed up for this coaching program last February, and I think I paid $197 for it. So if you can get it for $17, that's a real steal. Mind you, for $197 I got lifetime, but you can try it out for 6 months for $17 if you follow my instructions. Now, to get it for $17, you just have to watch the video, and you have to either watch it, which I would because it's pretty entertaining and informational. Okay, so I click up there to like 8 minutes, and then I'm going to click out of it, and then it should go to a discount page. Okay, so there we go. This is on Windows Internet Explorer. You can leave the page and you're gone, or you can stay on the page and scroll down here, and it should be $17. Now, if you go and look on the other page and you go to the buy button, it'll be $27. But if you click on that button, then it will not come up when you exit it, and you won't get the $17 deal. So, just wanted to tell you that. And if you go to it and you do it more than once, go to the website and do this, it won't come up either. So it's a one-time deal. So if you want to get it, just click on exit after 5 minutes of watching the video, and this buy button should come up. So I hope that helps. It'll save you a few bucks. It's awesome training, and you'll never get training this cheap by an 8-figure marketer ever again. So check it out. It's going to go up tomorrow to $37. All right. Thanks for watching.